New dealers often copy a factory catalog into a stock list before they know what local buyers request. A safer starting range comes from 3 filters: customer jobs, repeatable selection data, and service readiness. First, group the market by jobs instead of model numbers: continuous factory air, workshop use, cleaner air applications, mobile work, and replacement parts. Record real prospects applications: pressure, airflow, operating hours, air quality expectation, power supply, installation conditions, and budget stage. Keep uncommon requests outside the core until evidence grows. This creates a short list tied to visible demand. Second, build the core around questions your team can answer consistently. For each family, prepare an inquiry sheet: specifications, options, and items requiring case confirmation. A screw package, oil-free unit, piston compressor, or mobile machine solves a different problem. The family name does not confirm suitability. Pressure, air delivery, duty, voltage, treatment, accessories, documents, warranty boundary, and delivery discussion belong to each case. Third, match range depth to after-sales capability. Decide which families your team can explain, which routine parts it can identify, which maintenance questions it can triage, and when the factory must join. Start with a manageable core. Review redirected inquiries regularly. Add a family only when qualified demand and support readiness repeat. Factory direct access can make product family and documentation discussions more direct. It does not guarantee demand, stock turnover, a fixed margin, exclusive rights, certification, or delivery time. For a cooperation review, use the official website or sales email shown on screen. Share your country, business type, industry, experience, current products, target customers, service capability, and a summary of recent compressor inquiries. That evidence gives both sides a practical basis for discussing a starting range.